I think only real traders are going to understand how lonely trading can really be. And thank God this isn't the case for me right now, because I actually taught all of my best friends how to trade. They basically all trade with me in my group. But I'm talking about the people that don't have friends or family that support them in their trading endeavors. And I've been there. It kind of sucks when you want to become a trader, you're excited about pursuing this, and everyone in your life, your friends and your family, are doubting you. They're telling you that trading is a scam. They're telling you that it's risky. They're telling you that there's no probability of you actually becoming profitable. That can feel lonely and discouraging, where all of the loved ones in your life don't actually support you. The people that you spend most of your time with shape who you are and what you will become. And that's exactly why you want to be surrounded by other traders or other entrepreneurs. And if you're trading right now by yourself, find a live trading group. You need a sense of community, and you're also going to get hundreds of eyes on the markets at every point of the day, so you can collaborate and find new opportunities together. And I'm a mentor for over 100 students. I have a lot of people that trade live with me every single day, and it's not really even a group. It is a trading family where I'm not just looking forward to making money with my trading. I'm looking forward to making money as a team. Don't be one of those lone wolf traders who's going to figure everything out by himself, right? We as humans seek community. We want to be around other people that are doing the same things. And with that, you could win together as a group, and then you could lose together. And when you're losing with your team, it doesn't feel so bad because everyone kind of supports each other. Let me know if you agree in the comments.